Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben. Are you new to crypto? And I know so many of you are. How do I know that? How do I know so many of you are new to crypto? Well, that's because the price is going up, and everybody knows when the price goes up, people come in. We recently We recently pumped over $30,000, and a lot of people thought Bitcoin would never get back to $30,000. It's over. It's going to zero. It's going to 12,000. Guys, that's not the way this industry works. In fact, this industry is very simple. Getting into the world of crypto is something that is very predictable, and for the entire history of Bitcoin, we've been able to predict where the price will be based on what we call the 4-year cycle. And I know that might be a little over your head if you're new, right? So there are a couple of resources that I want to point you to first and foremost, so you can figure out how to really get going in crypto. So the first one is going to be bitlabacademy.com. Make sure you check out bitlabacademy.com. This is our internal educational course. It's dynamic. We're always adding new courses. We also have, Kelly Kellum is in charge of the BitLab Academy. They have their own channel. You can look it up, BitLab Academy. We'll put some links down below for that. Make sure you sign up and you get going. Also, don't forget to check out my book, Catching Up to Crypto. This is going to be, if you've not been in crypto for 2 decades now, maybe a slight exaggeration. I'm now on my 2nd decade in crypto, 11th year in crypto since I bought Bitcoin for the first time. If you haven't been in this space for that long, then the book is going to educate you, it's going to catch you up to where you need to be. I believe the audiobook will be out soon if it's not out by the time this video hits. I just recorded it last week, finished it up. So really excited about that. But there are some things that you may be wondering that we can just kind of answer right off the rip, okay? First of all, where do you buy crypto? Well, that's a great question. We've got a lot of exchanges have gone insolvent recently with FTX, FTX, Celsius, Voyager, all these have gone down. Some others have been questioned, are they legitimate? But the best place to buy crypto in America right now is Coinbase. And, people always want a better alternative to Coinbase because people feel like they're a little, a little smug over there. There might be a little smug over there at Coinbase. People always want to know where's the best place. Still, to this day, to my knowledge, still the best place to buy Bitcoin, the best place to get started going in crypto. But one thing you need to understand is once you buy crypto on an exchange, that's not where you want to keep it. You don't want to leave your money on that exchange. I mentioned all these exchanges that went down. Well, the best thing for you to do is going to be to move your crypto once you buy it on Coinbase to what we call a hot wallet or a cold storage wallet. Cold storage wallet means it's cold because it's not attached to the internet. To move coins around, you attach it to your computer and you move coins around, and then when you detach it from your computer, there's no connection there. There's no way somebody can hack these wallets. So you want to check out a Ledger hardware wallet. We have those down below as well. You can check out a link. But in addition, we also have hot wallets, which are called hot because they're attached to the internet, meaning these would be like browser wallets or mobile wallets, of course, a mobile wallet. The ones I suggest are Trust Wallet and the Coinbase wallet. Now, the Coinbase wallet is different than the Coinbase app. What is different between these different types of wallets compared to keeping your money on Coinbase or on an exchange? And that's going to be simply, you own your private keys. When it comes, now your private keys, of course, are your personal password really to get into your address to see your coins. So you want to hold on to those private keys. You don't want to give those to anybody. If you have the money on an exchange, then what that means is the exchange has the private keys. And ultimately, if they went down and went insolvent, as we've seen, you don't have your crypto. A lot of people want to know about technical analysis. Does it work? You want to become a trader. Well, if you want to become a trader, we have some links down below for you as well. But what I would say to that is technical analysis does work in crypto. We've seen it over and over again. Now, when I say technical analysis, and of course, this is looking at charts and figuring out where the price is going based on certain activities on the chart, based on human psychology. If I were to tell you that it works 100% of the time, that would be a lie. Nothing works 100% time, percent of the time when it comes to technical analysis. Really with technical analysis, what you're wanting is just a slight edge on being able to guess where the price of Bitcoin is going. You can, of course, make money, whether the price is going up or going down. If you're doing what is known as leverage trading, you can also do what's called spot trading, where you're basically just betting on you're not betting, you're buying the asset, and if it goes up, you win. If it goes down, then, you hopefully wait for it to go back up. A cool, kind of principle you should understand in crypto is buy the rumor, sell the news. So that means a lot of times if the price is going up based on a big rumor or some big news story, you want to sell it and take profits, because once the story hits, it usually goes down. And this really goes home to hammer the point of timing when it comes to selling crypto and making money, because you always want to buy in the green. Excuse me, that's wrong. You want to buy in the red. You want to buy when the asset is down, and you want to sell it and take profits when it's in the green. It's a very, very, very simple concept to understand. So don't forget, also, you're going to want to, when it comes to buy the rumor, sell the news, you're going to want to have a good source to find information on what is going on in the crypto market with news. Now, we do have crucialcrypto.io. This is our newsletter, our weekly newsletter. That is a paid newsletter. It's like $100 a month, but we're giving you coin picks inside of there, and you can see that the research done in that newsletter is unparalleled in crypto. You're going to get a lot of information on it. So you want to check out crucialcrypto.io, you can. I'm giving you a lot of links. Why? Because you're new to crypto. You need to know this stuff. And all of these may not be right for you, but some of them might be. And I really look forward to helping you get started in your crypto journey. There's a long ways to go. If you're here now for the first time, maybe you're coming back because you got burnt before because you did it the wrong way. Everybody comes in when the price is high, leaves when the price is low. The good news about right now is the prices seem to be on the way up. But this is not ultimately where we believe this market is going to stay. We think we probably have a pullback, and then price will go massively upwards in the next 2 years. So that means you've really came at a perfect time. So congratulations to you. You're probably going to do pretty well. I can't guarantee anything. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can be your crypto sensei. That's all I got. Be blessed. Bye-bye.